Hi and welcome to this guide on how to set up a virtual machine running Ubuntu Server in Proxmox. Begin by downloading the Ubuntu Server ISO from the official website. Just search for Ubuntu Server in your browser, go to the site and copy the download URL. In Proxmox, go to your node. PVE is the default name, mine is new, open local storage, select ISO images, and paste the URL and download the ISO. In the top right corner, click Create Virtual Machine. Set a VM ID, name your VM, and click Next. Select the ISO image you uploaded earlier. For the machine type, choose Q35 instead of I440FX, as it offers better support for PCIe pass-through and newer hardware. Also, make sure to enable the QEMU agent option. Select the storage disk and define the desired disk size. Click Advanced and set a checkmark in SSD emulation. Next, assign CPU cores 2 to 4 cores is a good starting point for most use cases. Assign system memory. The amount required depends on your workload, but you can start with 1024 MB and increase it as needed. Configure the network settings. In most cases, you can leave the default bridge, VMBR 0. If you need to assign a specific VLAN, you can do it here. Before finishing, uncheck Start after created. Review your configuration and click Finish. You are all done now. Proxmox has created your virtual machine and it's ready to use. Now it's time to start the VM and install the operating system. Pick your new virtual machine from the left menu, click Start, and then open Console to see the virtual machine screen and begin the setup. Select Try or Install Ubuntu Server. Pick your desired language. Update the installer if needed. Then select your keyboard layout. Choose Ubuntu Server to continue the installation. Next, configure the network settings. To assign a static IP address, choose Edit IPv4, then select Manual. Set the subnet. The /24 tells Ubuntu how large the local network is. It defines the subnet mask, which allows the system to know which devices are on the same network and which traffic should go through to the gateway. Set the address, the IP of the server, gateway, and the name server or DNS, and save. Click Done. For the proxy configuration, leave it empty and click Done again. After a short update process, click Done again. When prompted for storage, select Use an entire disk. Click Continue to proceed. Fill in your name, server name, username, and password, then press Done. When asked about Ubuntu Pro, select Skip for now and continue. Enable Open SSH Server by checking the box. Skip third-party snaps if not needed. Once the installation is complete, select Reboot. Press Enter to unmount the CD-ROM. Next, connect to the server via SSH. I use PuTTY as the SSH client. Accept the certificate when prompted. Alternatively, you can use the Proxmox console, but note that copy-paste is not available. Log in with your username and password, update the system, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -1. Then install the QEMU guest agent with sudo apt install QEMU guest agent -y. The Ubuntu server setup is now complete.